Hello, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. Hope you're all doing really well. We've got this 2014 Ibis White Audi A7. It's a 3-litre BiTDI V6 S line Sportback Tiptronic quattro. It's got 64,831 miles and it's a diesel automatic with a full dealership service history. Absolutely lovely motor. It's got the electric sliding panoramic sunroof there at the top. 19-inch 5 twin spoke alloy wheels in the gloss black. Really lovely condition on the alloys considering its age and mileage. There's the second alloy. It's got the electronic adjustable and heated mirrors. It's got the LED headlights with daytime running lights and automatic activation, headlight washer system, front and rear parking sensors. There's the third alloy. It's got privacy glass, tinted glass all the way around, sorry. It's got the adaptive spoiler which you can put down and up. Dual zone exhaust, rear parking sensors, includes the technology pack, sport suspension, plenty of gadgets which I'll go through now. Inside the vehicle it's got the electronic adjustable windows, electronic adjustable door mirrors with the heat mechanism. It's got BOSE sound system, power tailgate, storage compartment, 2 different settings on the seats, open and close. It's got premium S-line embossed seats which move electronically. It's got the automatic activation headlights just there, multifunction steering wheel which includes voice control, Bluetooth hands-free, cruise control with a speed limiter. The wiper indicator is just there. It's got 64,831 miles on the clock, which includes the heads-up display. With the center console, it's got features such as the change in the tone, so you can change the bass and the rest. It's got AM, FM and DAB. I'll just show you. It's got media, Bluetooth integration. There's sat-nav navigation as well. Very responsive, very clear, which I'll show you now. There you go. And it's also got a traffic report system within the local area. Very handy. Telephone preparation. It's got driving select mode, which includes efficiency, comfort, auto and dynamic. I'll just show you the rear parking sensors as well. Front and rear parking sensors, sorry. There you go. It's got a climate control there, dual zone air conditioning, front heated seats at drives and passenger side with 3 different settings. It's got electronic parking brake, auto hold, all the menu selector, keyless push to start. Comes with 2 keys, 2 cup holders, a lovely leather armrest with a 12-volt plug socket and a storage compartment in there. Like I mentioned, it does have a electronic sliding panoramic sunroof. Well, sliding sunroof, sorry. I'll keep it closed for the time being because it's letting all the rain in. But yeah, works absolutely amazingly. There is also a sun visor, but I'll leave it open for the time being so it lets more light in. But yeah, overall, really lovely car. I'll just show you the back. At the back, it's got the electronic adjustable windows, BOSE sound system, i6 preparation seats, storage compartment with the armrest, 12-volt plug socket, storage pockets at either side, plenty of leg space. Yeah, really lovely car. I'll just show you the power tailgate. Working absolutely perfectly. There is a rubber inlay as well, so easy to clean. Underneath that is really good condition as well. So yeah, no scuffs, no tears in the interior, and underneath that there is a tyre and all the relevant tools with the car. So yeah, really big boot, perfect family car to be honest. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle or information about your own part exchange or financing the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.